Welcome back to Cooking by the Book. My name is Katie, and I am so excited because it is tea time today. We have one of Laura Child's tea shop mysteries here, Devonshire Scream. In it, we find Theodosia, Indigo Tea Shop owner, all excited because she's set to cater a trunk show at Heart's Desire Jewelry. But the party's crashed by a gang of masked thieves who take off with the jewels and leave a dead body. Theodosia has a hunch that the killer is someone local, and she sets to work to solve the crime. Included in the book are several tea time tips and also recipes. Today we're trying out the strawberry cream cheese tea sandwich and the Waldorf tea sandwich. Let's get started. First, we'll make our strawberry cream cheese tea sandwich. We'll start by taking 10 slices of white bread and cutting them into rounds or whichever shape you prefer, and just toss the crust or save it for another recipe later. Then we've got 6 ounces of cream cheese and 2 tablespoons of strawberry preserves. We'll mix our cream cheese and our preserves together. And once that's well combined, we're ready to spread it on half of our sandwich slices. And just top it with the other half. For our Waldorf tea sandwiches, we're going to mix together a cup of grated apple, a 1/4 cup of minced celery, a 1/2 cup of finely chopped walnuts, and a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Once we have that well combined, we'll take our cinnamon raisin bread that we've cut the crust off of, and we're going to butter it. And then spread on our apple walnut mixture. Then we're going to go ahead and butter the top slice for this one. We'll layer that on top there, and then we'll just cut in half. There we go. We hope you enjoy today's Cooking by the Book episode, and we'll see you next time.